TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 86. You get the NASDAQ off 33. S&Ps are down 11. Gold contracts flat at $1,273 an ounce. We have silver down 7 cents, $17.71 an ounce. You got platinum trading at $9.63. Copper's $2.14. Light sweet crude down 93 cents, trading at $49.03. Crude numbers coming out at 10:30 this morning. Notes, the 10-year note down 5 ticks, 130. 30-year bond off 11 ticks, 164.11. Now, both notes and bonds have continued to reject lower price, have lighter volume. Once again, the 30-year is struggling. The number to keep your eye on the 30-year is 164.13. Right now, we're at 164.09. King dollar is down 217 ticks, trading at 98.46. The euro is at $1.09, and the yen is at 104.22. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. This is what you're looking at, folks. SPY right now is trading down $1. We are at 213.17, and you're going into two separate areas. The biggest area we're going into is October 13th. That's where we had 101 million shares. The high of that day is 213.59. Lows 211. I don't expect we're going to crack into that level. In fact, what I expect you're going to see out here is that you're going to see a rejection of lower price with lighter volume. That's how this is setting up right now. What the futures have just done, they were just testing the lows that were generated out here on the 21st, which is 21.24. We got to 21.24.75. NDX, Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. What we have with the Dow right now got to a low out here of 18,062, and I figure that's the low. It hit the 18,000. Well, it didn't get to the 18,049. That was the low that was generated out here on Friday. The bigger number is how we traded the 13th. And what does that set up? That sets up that it still wants to go up and test the 11th of October. The 11th of October, you're talking about 18,312. NDX 100. What do we have with the NDX 100? Bottom line with the NDX 100 right now, that is pulled back $39. You're at 48.52, and I expect that's still going to go to another high. Hitting the NDX 100 this morning is that you do have Apple hitting it on the downside. That being said, the biotechs on the upside, I suspect as we move on to this trading day, are going to help this NDX out. Composite, same type of setup in the composite. What you have with the composite is this. The composite right now is trading at 52.48, and that composite looks that it's going to once again, well, what it's doing today, it's testing the 13th as well as last Friday, the 20th. I suspect we're going to have lighter volume, and the composite still wants higher price. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, you get sideways movement out here. You're at 1271. We've hit 1277. You've done 77,000 contracts. Bottom line, gold's having a hard time staying over this 1269 area. Notes. We take a look at the 10-year note first. What you have with the 10-year note? 10-year note down 6 ticks. 565,000 contracts. Bottom line, that's light volume on the way back. The 30-year bond is the one to really keep your eye on, because the 30-year bond, we're at 164.05. It's having a tough time staying inside this 164.13 area. And good old King Dollar. What we have with King Dollar is this, folks. King Dollar is in an ABC structure on the way up. With King Dollar's down out here today. Well, yesterday went to a higher high. Volume lightened up a bit. It's already rejected lower price out here right now. And King Dollar is getting set up. Well, the ABC structure price projection is 100.770. That being said, guess what? This might be setting up an additional ABC structure up and just blow away that $1 level. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 877-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.